Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with ShowChrome Accessories to discuss another brand new item fitting the 2018 and newer Honda Goldwing and Honda Goldwing Touring models. The particular item we're going to discuss is going to be the Deluxe passenger armrests. These passenger armrests mount to the bottom side of the passenger grab rail for a secure fit. They are offered in two finishes, the high luster chrome shown in the motorcycle or the black satin I hold in my hand. You can also adjust the pivot tension of these by simply loosening the set screws and tightening the Allen head bolt on the top of the pivot. Again, this particular item is going to fit the 2018 and newer Honda Goldwing and Honda Goldwing Touring models. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.